You're going to learn some of the best psychological strategies to win over a woman by tapping into her subconscious. When it comes to attraction, the key often lies in understanding the subconscious mind. Some of the most skilled seducers use subtle, psychological techniques to leave a lasting impression on a woman. In this article, we're going to uncover a series of mind-bending psychological tricks that work wonders when you're trying to capture the heart of a woman. Stick with me until the end, as the final trick will evoke hypnotic emotions, making her feel things she's never experienced before. Let's dive in. Trick number 1. The Benjamin Franklin effect. You've probably heard of Benjamin Franklin, the founding father known for his wisdom and charm. But did you know that he unknowingly discovered a powerful psychological effect? The Benjamin Franklin effect suggests that asking someone for a small favor can actually make them like you more. It may sound counterintuitive, but here's why it works. When you ask someone you admire for help, their brain processes the favor as an investment in your relationship. It creates a sense of mutual respect, which leads to stronger feelings of attraction. How can you apply this trick? Keep it simple. Ask her for something small, like holding the door open for you, fixing your tie, or even taking a photo. These small requests make you appear more approachable and even more attractive, all while creating a subtle bond between you two. Trick number 2. The chameleon effect. Here's one of the most fascinating psychological tricks. The chameleon effect. According to a 1999 study, people are naturally attracted to others who subtly mirror their behavior. The idea is simple. When you mimic someone's gestures or movements, it creates a subconscious sense of connection. So, how do you use this with a woman? While talking to her, pay attention to her body language. If she touches her face, gently touch your beard. If she crosses her arms, you can mirror her position. The key is to mirror her behavior in a natural, unforced way. This makes her feel like you two have a special connection, which will draw her in without her even realizing why. Trick number 3. The power of posture. It's often said that body language speaks louder than words. The way you stand, sit, or walk can have a profound impact on how attractive you appear to a woman. For instance, crossing your arms can make you seem closed off or defensive, while slouching can convey a lack of confidence. But if you stand tall with your shoulders back and your legs shoulder-width apart, you instantly become more appealing. When sitting, try spreading your legs naturally and leaning back slightly. This posture exudes confidence and mental openness, two qualities that make you irresistibly attractive. Trick number 4. Use her name frequently. Did you know that using a person's name can create an instant connection? It's been proven that when we hear our name, we naturally pay more attention. This is a psychological phenomenon that you can easily leverage in your favor. During your conversation, ask her for her name and then casually use it throughout your dialogue. For example, Maria, what do you think about this? Or, I really like that idea, Maria. This simple tactic helps her feel special and uniquely connected to you. Trick number 5. Prolonged eye contact. Here's a powerful psychological tool that requires some boldness. Prolonged eye contact. This trick works wonders when you want to make a memorable impression. When you're speaking to her, look into her eyes a little longer than usual. Hold your gaze for just a moment longer than is typical, as if you're peering into her soul. This creates an intense emotional connection that leaves her feeling drawn to you. But remember, don't overdo it. Maintain a balance between looking into her eyes and breaking the gaze at the right moments. Trick number 6. Exclusive knowledge. Everyone loves feeling special. If you want to stand out from the crowd, create an exclusive bond with her that no one else shares. Whether it's a special inside joke or a little secret that only the two of you understand, exclusive knowledge works wonders. This creates a sense of intimacy between the two of you, which naturally draws her in. The more she feels like she shares something unique with you, the more attracted she will become. Trick number 7. Let her talk. People love to talk about themselves, and women are no exception. If you want to captivate her attention, allow her to share her thoughts, experiences, and stories. Ask her questions about her life, passions, and dreams. But here's the catch. Don't just sit there and nod along. Be actively engaged. Show genuine interest in what she says. Active listening, where you show you're truly invested in her words, makes a profound impact. This helps her feel valued, and in turn, she'll start associating those positive feelings with you. Trick number 8. Contagious positivity. Finally, one of the most attractive qualities you can have is a contagious positive attitude. No one wants to be around someone who's constantly complaining or focusing on the negative. To make her feel drawn to you, focus on all the good things in life. Share your moments of joy, excitement, and gratitude. If she's having a rough day, encourage her to focus on the silver lining or offer positive ideas to help her improve her situation. When she sees you as a source of hope and happiness, she won't be able to help but want to spend more time with you. Now that you're armed with these powerful psychological tricks, it's time to put them into action. Whether you're trying to win her over or just build a deeper connection, these strategies will give you the edge you need to captivate her heart. Remember, attraction isn't just about looks. It's about creating an emotional connection that resonates on a subconscious level. Want to learn more secret tricks and techniques that are used by the most skilled seducers? Be sure to subscribe and check out more of our content for tips that will help you unlock the mysteries of attraction. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.